unit of force. So the force unit is Newton. And how the Newton is defined? Newton is written as N. And how it is defined? Since force equal to F equal to ma, so 1 Newton is defined as if 1 kg object is applied with a force and it acquires an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, then the force is called 1 Newton. So the Newton definition will be what? If 1 kg object is applied with a force and experiences an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, then force is 1 Newton. And how can we write it? The 1 Newton will be equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. So that is kg meter per second square. So Newton is kg meter per second square. So 1 Newton is 1 kg meter per second square. And another unit is dyne. So what is dyne? This is CGS unit. This is SI unit. Newton is SI unit. This is SI unit. And dyne is CGS unit. So here the same equation, F equal to ma, if we use, then here mass will become the 1 gram and acceleration will become 1 centimeter per second square. So this will be 1 gram into 1 centimeter per second square. So 1 gram centimeter per second square is called 1 dyne. And how 1 Newton and 1 dyne is related, so that we will see. So 1 Newton is what? 1 kg meter per second square. So if you write kg in terms of gram, so 1 kg means 1000 gram and 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So if we solve it, we are going to get 10 to the power 5 gram centimeter per second square. So this is 1 dyne. So 10 to the power 5 dyne. So 1 Newton is 10 to the power 5 dyne. So this is the conversion between SI unit and CGS unit. Apart from this, one more unit is used for force. That unit is called the kilogram force. kg force. So what is this kg force? So this is actually gravitational unit of force. This is called gravitational unit of force. And this is discussed in ICSE board 10th, before 10th. If you see that 9th or 10th book, if you see in ICSE board, this question is this kind of unit is discussed. So gravitational unit. So what is this? This is the force of gravity acting on 1 kg object. This is force of gravity acting on 1 kg object. So how much it will be? So its value will be equal to mg, and m will be 1 kg and g will be whatever its value is, 9.8. So this is equal to 1 kg into 9.8 meter per second square. So we can write 1 kg force is equal to 9.8 Newton. So 1 kg force is equal to 9.8 Newton. So this is what the force of gravity acting on 1 kg object. 1 kg force is what? The force of gravity acting on 1 kg object. So on 1 kg, how much gravitational force acts? That is 9.8 Newton. So 1 kg force is equal to 9.8 Newton. So these are the 3 units of forces.